What's good, what is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today we're at the Excalibur Casino, which is the castle casino. I really love the exterior of this casino. It's probably one of my favorites if we're just doing based off the exterior. There's about 2 different ways to get to this casino. You can either walk there with the skywalks, or you could take the tram, which I just did for the very first time. So let me tell you about it.
I have the tram all to myself. So something I did fail to mention is that the tram that takes you to the Luxor, the Excalibur, and Mandalay Bay is all free. And there's a tram that takes you from Mandalay Bay to Excalibur. It's called the Express Tram, but that was closed when I did this video.
So when you get off the tram or you get off the skywalks, I don't know if they're called skywalks, but that's what I'm going to call them. Anyways, you enter this little hallway entryway that says, "Welcome to Excalibur." So once you enter, you're greeted by a ice cream little parlor spot and a nice open royal looking castle interior, which is really nice. I really like the decorated balconies and stuff. And there's all like almost fairy lights. It's really a pretty thing inside of this casino for sure. The thing that this casino is mostly known for, though, is their Tournament of Kings, which apparently is on the same level as their arcade, but I took the elevator down, so I didn't even see like the Tournament of Kings section. But they mostly have slot machines, but they do have table machines in the back. And their box office I really liked because it was literally in the middle of the floor plan of this casino, rather than like somewhere in a corner where you can't really see it. Instead, their bell desk and their hotel lobby were kind of in a corner, but at least their hotel lobby had a big sign. So yeah, here's some more gambling and slot machines. There's actually a lot of kids today here, and I don't really know why, considering the Tournament of Kings was closed. But yeah, here are the table games I was showing you and telling you about. So another really cool feature I genuinely like about this casino, so I haven't been to this casino in years, but if you like keep walking through the casino, you'll run into like food spots just sporadically there, or bars, or even the sports book. As you can see, the sports book is kind of put in the back of the casino. But I really like this part about the casino because usually it's like gambling, table games, and then there's like a food court, versus this has like food in between the gambling and the slot machines, and they have their very own food court on the second level too. But first, let's talk about their pool. So this is like a small like mini mart before you get inside the pool. So I thought this area was pretty neat. But the pool itself, I couldn't go very far because security and stuff were right there. But this was the view that I got. And their pool seemed pretty nice. Okay, so this casino also offers the Tournament of Kings and Thunder Down Under. But both of those shows were closed when I tried to go down in the basement below. Well, to the basement floor. And also they have an arcade there, but that was closed too, and I was gonna film it, but I got this really uneasy feeling and like my chest got super heavy, so I just left because I'm not trying to let anything happen to me. But yeah, they also have an arcade too. Like I said, this casino has food spots sporadic, so like that coffee spot was right after you exit the pool area and come back into the casino. This little entryway is right at the beginning of the second floor, right after you get up the stairs, so I really like that. I don't really know what Lick is. I feel like it's going to be like the new sugar factory or its sugar place, but it was really weird. Go ahead and check out my buffet video too. I did post that on Sunday, so I'll go ahead and have that linked up top as well. But their buffet was pretty neat too. I thought it was a nice selection. Something else I really liked about the Excalibur is that the stores that they had here next to the food court were ones I hadn't really heard of compared to like ones that are everywhere on the strip. But they were also pretty practical too. But this is the food court, and look how many options there are. Like I could get pretzels and donuts only by walking like 15 feet. So I thought that was pretty cool. And there's hot dog on a stick or pickup sticks. I've never really heard of those places, but I mean, I'm sold. Like, let's do it. There's also a tattoo spot, or you could get the light up t-shirts that I was talking about in the Fremont video. I also have that linked. And what casino is complete without a Starbucks? And this little Vegas store was pretty cool. Honestly, I was super entertained by their sign because it like keeps moving and the lights go off. It's super flashy. As usual, I ran out of time, so be sure to smash the subscribe button, comment down there while you're at it, and be sure to like this video if you did. Toodles!